A new Wordle puzzle is online. Click on the link to play.
Listening to the following video may give you clues. Please like and share the videos.
Johnny Depp in court says he has never struck any woman in his life. The Hollywood actor took the stand in court to testify about the alleged abuse of Amber Heard.
He is suing over an article written in the Washington Post in 2018. The article was not authored by Depp and did not name his ex-wife.
However, Depp's lawyers say the article implies that the actor abused Amber Heard physically and sexually. Heard countersues for $50 million in damages.
Johnny Depp's former therapist and a nurse testify in the trial. Two experts who treated Johnny Depp will testify in his drug abuse trial.
One of the experts is Deborah Lloyd, a certified addiction nurse. She acted as Depp's personal physician.
According to court documents, Depp had opiate addiction issues and sought help in spring 2014. Kipper wrote notes detailing Depp's nasty freak out following a fight with his fiancée.
She also oversaw his detoxification from opiates and other substances. Another expert witness is Dr.
Laurel Lavis Anderson. The actress and actor had therapy sessions in 2015.
Anderson testified that Depp was triggered by Heard's statements and actions. In her testimony, Drive.
Kipper talked about the treatments Depp had undergone during his treatment. Depp also mentioned domestic violence during their 2016 divorce.
But she did not name Depp. Heard's testimony made the case more credible.
The former therapist recalled that Heard was stepping up on drugs and slapped Depp in December 2015. The nurse said the slap occurred when Heard felt threatened and wanted to take revenge.
Depp's mother was in the hospital at the time, but Depp was able to get away without any further repercussions. The trial has uncovered more secrets about the infamous movie star.
Two former therapists and a nurse took the stand in the trial. One of them was Debbie Lloyd, who was cross-examined about text messages she sent to Johnny Depp.
She also claimed that Johnny Depp apologized on social media after she refused to see him earlier that day. The trial is expected to last a full 6 weeks.
Amber Heard's former therapist testifies in the trial. A former therapist of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's marriage has testified in a defamation trial against the actor.
Laurel Anderson testified that Heard and Depp had physical violence during their marriage, and she allegedly saw bruises on Heard that escalated as the couple fought over his money. Depp is suing Heard for $50 million in damages for defaming the actor, and Heard is counter-suing for $100 million.
James claimed to have seen no physical abuse from Depp despite the claims of Heard's personal assistant. Heard, he claimed, screamed and hit her repeatedly out of self-pride.
James described Heard's behavior as insecure, dramatic, and verbally abusive. Keenan Wyatt, the sound engineer for Depp's Hollywood films, also testified during the trial.
He recalled a scene with Depp while on a private plane. The trial is expected to take about 6 weeks.
Depp is suing Heard after she wrote in the Washington Post that her former boyfriend abused her. But Depp also sued the Sun newspaper for an article that said he was a wife-beater, a claim that was ultimately ruled to be substantially true by the judge.
Heard's claims that Depp smashed a phone are not credible. She also claimed that Depp repeatedly hit her, and Anderson saw the bruising on Heard in photos of the incident.
Her claims are based on evidence from the photos, which show she had been struck by the actor. However, a childhood friend of Depp claims that he saw the actor chewing a straw and a stir stick.
Amber Heard's former nurse testifies in the trial. Amber Heard's former nurse has been called to testify in the Johnny Depp trial.
She will testify in a courtroom in Virginia about her relationship with the actor. The actress is expected to testify later in the case.
In the interview, she describes the conflict-instigating behaviors of the actress towards Depp. During a joint session, she dominated the proceedings while Depp withdrew emotionally.
Bette testified about the physical abuse Heard received from Depp during their marriage. In addition to spitting in her face when she asked for a raise, she also screamed and sent text messages at 4 a.m.
Depp has denied any physical abuse of Heard, but Heard's lawyers have suggested that the actor paid her doctors a monthly fee of $0 or more during the second day of the case. Another male jury member stepped down due to health issues.
Two Depp fans were booted out of the courthouse after a local sheriff investigation revealed that they had posted threats against Heard on social media. An attorney for Depp, Michael Walsh, did not return calls seeking comment on Depp's testimony.
But in the meantime, the jury is expected to hear from Dr. Laurel Anderson, Amber Heard's divorce counselor.
After his testimony, the jury heard from a personal nurse and a doctor about the actor's attempt to detoxify in 2014, when Depp and Heard were having a relationship rift. The lawsuit is expected to last for 5 weeks.
If all the witnesses prove that Depp had physical abuse of Amber Heard, he will likely win the case against the actress. The jury's verdict will determine whether or not the actor is liable in the defamation case.
Johnny Depp's doctor examines him after a finger injury in 2015. A former private physician, David Kipper, testified that he found the fingertip and broke glass on the floor after being called by Johnny Depp to the emergency room.
He said that Depp told doctors at an emergency room in Australia that he cut his finger while trying to open a bottle. However, the doctor didn't mention the broken bottle in his notes.
He also testified that Depp had been acting very irritable at the time, and did not seek medical attention. The doctor examined Johnny Depp, and found that he was bleeding heavily from the finger.
He was not certain how Depp had injured himself, but he was unable to tell how. The lawyer for Heard claimed that Depp cut his finger with a knife, but Dr.
Kipper did not see any injury to Heard. During the fight, Depp reportedly yelled, slammed cabinets in his kitchen and cut himself.
After the alleged incident, the Hollywood star has filed a defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife Amber Heard. The actress has alleged sexual assault and physical abuse from Depp, but has refused to name him.
Although Heard never mentioned Depp by name in her article, she claimed that the actor cut his finger with a knife and left broken glass all over his house. A pre-recorded deposition of Kipper was played to jurors on Monday.
Anjanette Levy, who corresponded for Law 26 Crime, said that Depp never complained to him about Heard. She also said that she never witnessed any physical abuse from Depp.
But she did note that Depp texted Kipper after her doctor told her about it. Johnny Depp's ex-wife Amber Heard's testimony in the trial.
The case against actor Johnny Depp has been making the rounds on TV and in the media lately, but one thing has not changed. His ex-wife's testimony is not good. Amber Heard has been sitting in the courtroom during the trial, but her testimony is still a source of controversy.
She has been trying to get the actor to testify in favor of her. However, she has failed in her attempts to do so.
The divorce trial continues Wednesday. The trial begins on Tuesday, but it could take several more weeks to conclude.
It is unclear what the next phase of the case will entail. The trial will likely go on for several more weeks, and we will see if the judge rules in Depp's favor.
Amber Heard will be cross-examined on Tuesday, so it is likely that she will be asked questions about the relationship she had with Depp while she was still married. In his opening statement in the trial, Depp spoke candidly about his life.
He discussed his childhood, the abuse he suffered as a child, his creative endeavors, and his relationship with drugs. The actor admitted that he began taking drugs when he was 11 years old, and he admitted to using alcohol and roxicodone.
Despite these accusations, he claimed to be sober for a large portion of his marriage earlier. Heard appeared in court with a bruise on her face, and she was photographed by paparazzi.
Chu said that evidence will show that she intentionally injured herself and lied in order to ruin Depp's reputation. However, this trial will be a complex one.
Amber Heard's testimony could prove to be crucial in the case. If she does, the evidence will be overwhelmingly in favor of the actor.